You are, gosh, this leather smells amazing. You're also paying for the gilding, and the pages, I can tell, are just, they're so smooth. There's just so much to go into. I will link it below so you can see it for yourself. But the other piece that I got, and it is $220. So they're both $220. So the total of this is $440. And some people would be like, you're out of your mind. But y'all remember, I love handbags. So $220 for a handbag is average for me. Usually a Brahman's between $200 and $400. This is a Bible handbag. So you could use this for a lot of things. Let me get it back up here so you can see it. It's pretty floppy. I want to show you that. Because the leather grain is amazing. The closure is these two magnets. And inside, let me show you. You have the humble shield. So this is to shield your brand new Bible. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now. It fits right in. So you can do one of two things. You can have the Bible in the front part or in the back part. I would put it in the back part, to be honest. In the shield. And then the front part is for you to put things that you would your normal handbag stuff. So it could be anything from, it's got a zipper pocket. It's got another big pocket here and a pocket, two pockets for a pen on this side. Pocket, and then the big pocket in the middle, and then the zipper pocket. And then it's a big open area, and it has a matching, let me just make sure, because I feel like once you open this, you're allowed to open stuff as long as you don't remove tags. But the reason I'm going to say I have the right to open this is because you want to make sure when it says it has a matching shoulder strap that it is matching. Because I have pulled one out before and it didn't match, or it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. Okay, here's a great example. Yes, it's matching. It is a matching leather, but it also isn't full leather. It's got a canvas. It is an antiqued brass. I usually like glass plate that's shiny. But that's okay, because it probably goes with the, and I'm not going to take this off, but you would hook it there, and it would make it a crossbody, so you could carry your Bible with you wherever you go. You also could carry this as a clutch, and just have it be a clutch bag you take to church with you, like that. It could be unisex, because this is such a wide bag. This could be like men travel with packs like this. I won't call them purses, but they can be like a travel pouch, and that definitely, I mean, they're just larger, you know. Again, I'm going to put it next to my head long ways so you can see how big it is and how wide it is. And it's so buttery soft. This is going to be hard to get rid of if I don't keep it. Because even if I did not use my Bible in that, for, let's just say I pulled my Bible out, I'm at church, I'm looking through it. Or let's just say I used my Bible for Bible study at home. This is a great handbag for $220, y'all. Or if my husband wanted to use it, he's funny that way, that he would feel awkward carrying something this small. He would rather carry something big that looks a little more masculine. But this really is not feminine or masculine. It's very unisex. It's very, I mean, there's nothing feminine about it. It's just what am I like? A messenger bag. Men carry messenger bags. And if you notice, the strap was, it's very much could be a man's because of that black canvas, and then the leather, and then the fact that it is actually not shiny brass but an antique brass. Very, very unisex. Again, this is called the Humble Shield. It says it's handcrafted in full grain calf skin. Each bag is unique with its own distinct character based on the leather used. Over the time, the leather will develop a warm patina, adding more aesthetic appeal for years to come. And what that basically means is this is so soft, it's going to have all kinds of marks and skins, but it isn't going to hurt the look of the bag because it's just a good leather. So, do I keep it or not? This is just really an expensive item is my problem with it. But I knew that when I ordered it, and I ordered it anyway. And I think it's because I just feel like this is such a novelty, but a collectible piece, and such a really cool Bible. And I'm just trying to think, do I keep it? Do I gift it? What am I going to do with this Bible? It's a lot of money. So, got to think that one through. Would love your thoughts, assuming that I have the money to spend. Because I know some people would say I could never afford that. Well, obviously up front I did afford it. The point is, should I? You know, I'm going to be retiring in a few years, and it's like, okay, so you need to start thinking differently. So I don't know. But it's also a really cool one. Is that my last Bible ever? I don't know. So anyway, it comes with these pieces. That's that piece. Okay, so I want to show that to you because I'm trying to decide if I'm going to send it back inside that period. All right, I got another piece through the mail, and right off the bat, I just don't like this because of the styrofoam. It's getting all over everything, and I really don't care for people that package this way, because it isn't just the top of it, it's all the way down. And to be honest, I really wanted to show you what this is so bad, but it's just not worth it. What this is supposed to look like, this is a cup that's supposed to look like a geode. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's plastic. It's not a geode. I remember thinking that's going to be awful heavy. And so I'm really disappointed in the first place. So I will likely return this. Yeah, that's plastic. It doesn't even look realistic. And again, I hate the packaging. So I hope I'm not, I've waited so long to do this video, I hope I'm not within my time frame to return it. It wasn't super expensive, but I'm trying to think where I got it. It may have been Temu. I don't remember. Y'all, look, this is what I'm talking about. I can't get this off of me because it's static electricity. These little white pieces of styrofoam are sticking to me, and it's just irking me. It just really makes me mad. I hate styrofoam that's got the little pellets or this. Like, I really don't like when people package with styrofoam. You can always use paper, and you can use the heavy papers, the cardboardy type papers, enough to where it will protect your goods if you wrap it properly. And so when I get something like this, I'm just like over it, so to the point that I'm not even going to open it now to show it to you. But if you see the geode coffee cups that are, you know, supposed to look like geodes, y'all, they don't really. So I would say nix. If I find my link, I'll show you the link to where it is so that you don't get it. Okay. Here's another thing that I absolutely fell in love with. I love this brand. It's called Nice Cream. And it's a British brand, and it's kind of luxury cosmetic jewelry. And here, I want to show you two things. Here is the necklace. I got the bracelet, the necklace, and earrings. And this particular one is called Magnolia. And it looks like a magnolia leaf. But what else does it look like? It looks like a Van Cleef & Arpels. Let me get that. Come on, focus. There it goes. It's beautiful, y'all. I mean, it's really pretty. I don't know why this camera has stopped being able to focus. It's like, see how it's focusing, then it stops. It focuses, then it stops. Because it's on the right setting. This shouldn't be difficult. And see how then it tries to focus on the background? Every time, look. Focus on the background instead of the foreground. You have to fill the whole frame. This is like old school. I have to fill the whole frame just to get a picture. But anyway, and then even then, it's trying to go out of the picture. So you can see it's a really, really pretty piece. And then I'm going to show you my earring. This is the earring with a pearl, and I think that's super elegant. So I'm keeping both of these. Again, they're not real diamonds, but they're some of the best CZs I've ever seen, and y'all know me. I know CZs. And the pearl just makes it look more elegant. This is the sort of thing that it wouldn't be believable if you wore it for every day. This is definitely for an evening out or a special event or to give as a gift. So that's what I'm saving it for. These I would wear for every day as long as I'm going out. To wear around the house, I am wearing this at home today. But I knew I was going to be filming, so there. That's my excuse I'm using. Sorry I had to itch my head in front of you. Is that bad manners? All right. What else did I want to show you? Oh, okay. I'm not sure. I probably have gone over in my videos. A girlfriend of mine asked me what I thought of Laura Geller, and I was like, I think I love it. And then I just remembered, yeah, I love it because I got some of her powder foundation, mineral powder foundation, which I love. When I swirl it on real good, it covers my age spots. You know, they always talk about how you get age spots for the sun. It's not really, and it's not because you get older. My understanding is it's when you heat sugar and protein, you get a darkening spot, just like on bananas or anything that darkens like that. It's the sugar. And so I think what it is not that you age, but that as you age, you get closer to being pre-diabetic, diabetic, and that's where you get those spots. Because I got on my son here, I have none, no spots. My spots are here, where you would not see age spots. So it's like, and also places on your body that you keep covered. So it's like on my right thigh, on the outer side. Even when you lay out in the sun, it's the front, and I have none there. So anyway, so why was I talking about that? Oh, about the base that covers my age spots, which I should have brought that in here too, but maybe I'll do that when I get ready with me because I do like it a lot. But I did go ahead and get her 4 face palettes, and it's called Party in a Palette, Laura Geller Chow Gorgeous. And the 4 palettes are City Lights, In the Tropics, Exotic Locale, and Metro Magic. Now, here's the thing. Will they all be orange based? Everything since Kim Kardashian and Mario, and her coloring is to use like orangey tones because she's got brown skin, black brows, black lashes, and brownish black eyes. I mean, she's very dark. And so that kind of rustic color looks good on her and her family. So this shows that this is going to be lighter. You can see this. This one's lighter, this one's pinker, this one's more burgundy, and this one is more rose red. So let's look and see if they really are, if they're all orange. So this one is City Lights. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the, let me see if I can get it off. That's the only thing about these little plastic covers. There we go. Oops. Oh, it's got tape so that it will not. There we go. Actually, that's not orangey, y'all. That looks good. Okay, so what you have is 2 sets of color. You have a lighter and a darker. So here you have base, lid, crease. Over here you have inner corner, outer corner, and line. Or you can use this for a day look, that for a night look. But you've got the blush and the bronzer in the middle. The bronzer does have a little